Seems like I've been refinishing these doors forever. After you're done watching this video, take a few minutes to look through my channel. I guarantee there's a video that I've made that you can use to help improve your own home. If you don't find anything, come back to this video and leave a comment below requesting a specific video. I work all through the week and only record maybe one job a month that makes it to YouTube. I just don't have the time to set up the camera and go back and forth turning it on and off and setting it up at different angles. If you have a special request, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to record it next time it comes up. In today's project, I'm going to be installing a dedicated outlet for an air conditioner that goes in this window. What's been happening is the breaker's been tripping because that outlet right there is connected to all the basement lights and outlets. So I'm going to try to get a dedicated 20 amp circuit somewhere on this wall right here. And the way I'm going to do that is by tapping into the jetted tub. Now this jetted tub hardly ever gets used, and there is an outlet. See, it's not even plugged in. There's an outlet right there, and I'm pretty sure that's a 20 amp circuit that only supports this pump here. So I'm gonna start taking things apart and see if there's a way for me to get this wall into this wall here. I may go, I should probably get a light. All right, that's much better. So I'm going to come out of this and possibly down into the crawl space, go underneath, and then back up and out. Or, I don't know, I can't even really see around there, but I might be able to run it around this tub. But I need to get down into the crawl space and see what I'm working with. Okay, I'm now down in the crawl space, spider space here. And this light right here, this one goes up to that outlet. That's your 12-2, and I've traced it all the way back where it disappears into the wall, and I believe it goes straight to the panel and is on its own circuit. Now I'll come down into this crawl space. Oops, break that. There we go. These DeWalt tools, man, you can drop them and they keep on working. So right there are the drains for the shower and the supply lines. That is the wall cavity that I need the wire to go up into. And there's that vent. I want to go just to the right of that vent, so I'll just be following those pipes up right there. Appears there's a little bit of a leak over here. I should probably tell them about. I don't know if you can see it, but to the top of your screen is the area that I want to put the outlet. So I've got access. So right now I just got to cut a hole in. It's interesting, you can see where there used to be lath and plaster and there's actually new drywall up there. So I just have to make sure I miss that stud. Can you see the stud? And this should be pretty easy. We'll be out of here in an hour, I think.
So as you can see, this is our wire coming up from the crawl space. I gotta see if, I don't know if this breaker's on or not. I'm gonna use my little beeper tool. And now I know that it's hot. I'm gonna go shut the breaker off and come back and test it again. Tub number 12. Where's number 12? 11, 12, 20 amp breaker. Shut that right off. I'm just gonna turn this back on. And it's dead. So now I can work on this without worrying about getting shocked. Get this thing back in here. There we go. I hit the reset button. Test it out. These two mean correct function, and we can test it by hitting this button up here. Worked good. Hit the reset. These come back on. All right, not supposed to run these pumps without water, but I'm just going to turn on just for a second to make sure everything works right. Okay, works good. Okay, I'm back in the bedroom. This is our new outlet, and this is not GFI protected. So when I hit this press for GFI test button at the top, it shouldn't trip. So we've got good function there. And hit this button, and it does not trip the GFI, which is good. This isn't in a wet area. Don't want it to trip, especially with a large air conditioning unit that's going to go here. I don't want it on a sensitive GFI outlet. So I use this on every electrical project that I do. It is so simple to use. I have a full electric meter that I hardly ever get out of my tool pouch here. This is my electric meter. Heck, I don't even know if the batteries are good in this. Yeah, they are. But I never get this thing out. This thing here does just about everything you need for residential electrical work. I also have this outlet tester that I use all the time as well. I'm going to put a link in the description below to both of these products if you're interested in purchasing them. It helps out the channel.